What's good? It's Poetry in Motion. It's your girl Tamika Denise, and we're gonna talk about the last 75 hard that I did. The first 75 that hard that I did. We completed the first 75-day hard challenge, and still I was plateau at 175. Right now, you see me at a whopping 160. Shit. Now, that's in a weigh in from today. Like on Monday, I was at 162. As you can see, we got some gains. We just got back in the gym consistently yesterday, lifting again. So like my body right now is extremely tired. Like I did recovery today. I got in the bath, took an Epsom salt bath, took a cold shower after that, did a stretch on my lunch break. Back into shape has been something else. I haven't been running as much. Maybe on my lunch break I'll do 10 minutes. I'll try to run 10 minutes consistently. That's what I'm trying to do. Just maintain the motion of the ocean. But when we go back into the gym, I start doing the rower again, 5-minute warm up, 30-minute walks. Today we did 5-minute bike. We did not do a long cardio just because after I was shot the shit. My back, my body hurting, y'all. Hurting. But I just wanted to show y'all where we at. Where we going? We can get there. We can get to the bulk stage. We can lose this. 140 is getting closer. We were at 190, folks, at the end of last October. October, the first 75 hard after Sharice's birthday. We started October 19th. October 19th. Wait. Yes, the day after. The day after. October 20th, 21st. One of them days. I think we had a recovery day after our birthday. But let's just say October 22nd to be safe. But it's been almost a year, y'all. Almost a year. 190. 167. You do the math. I'm put the math somewhere. We gotta celebrate. Celebrate. Look at what the fuck I look like before when. That shit gonna be right here. Okay. Still, I had 2 Red Bulls today. This could be contributed to the bloating. I introduced creatine into my diet the last couple of days. I'm feeling bulky. Y'all see it? But yeah, I'm a. Tell me what you need, what you want to see, what you want to do, yo. It's Poetry in Motion, Tamika Denise. Thank y'all. Look what I've been doing, y'all. I'm getting strong. Like and share. Peace.